Hey, it's Rich Tarani. We're here at the ITEXPO Tech Super Show in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. On our program today is Matt Johns with CoreSite. We're thrilled to have him on the program. Matt, welcome. How are you?
I'm doing great today. Thanks for having me.
Our pleasure. So for those people who may not be familiar with your company, give us the overview, please.
Sure, CoreSite, it's not exactly a household name, but we've been in business for upwards of 25 years, actually. So we are very simply a data center provider. So we own and operate 28 facilities across 11 markets in the U.S. And pretty simply, we provide purpose-built, secure, scalable data center solutions for our customers. So think of high-density colocation, very low-latency interconnection, and we also provide cloud connectivity.
Yeah, and the low latency is important. You've got a lot of fiber. You've got a lot of different providers in one location. So being located where they are reduces latency if you need that in your applications.
You got it, precisely. So we really kind of see ourselves as an interconnection hub. So in each of the markets in which we operate, we have a very high concentration, very dense amount of networks and carriers that are coming into our buildings and our campus environments. So that provides a lot of optionality and choice for our customers. It allows them to connect to their partners, their suppliers, their customers, as well as the cloud providers.
Fantastic. And so when looking to go to market to have people purchase your services, how do you do that? Are partners involved? What is the strategy?
Partners are vital. So we collaborate with partners on a day-to-day basis. We understand that they have very significant relationships with the customers that we would like to have as well. So we collaborate with them. We make sure the open dialogue is there. We put forward our resources in terms of solutions engineering, our back-end systems, our customer service and customer success. So we really want to try to work, again, collaboratively with the partner in order to try to really take care of the customer. The one thing we pride ourselves on is the customer service focus. I mean, we're very much a white glove type of company. So partners can have the trust and confidence in us to really support their customer very well.
That's so important, and there's been a lot of talk about data centers in the last few years because of just the AI explosion and the strategic nature of AI to different governments, and so the importance of locations like the ones you have has just grown. I'm curious, what are you seeing specifically with AI in your business?
Well, AI is exploding, as you mentioned, so we see and hear it every day. So the trend that we notice mostly are enterprises are actually developing their own AI systems. So they are getting their hands on these GPUs and these NVIDIA servers and other high performance compute platforms, and they need a place in order to put those platforms, right? So these are very power hungry, high compute systems. So our data centers are perfectly suited to handle the power requirements, to handle the cooling, to take care of that heat rejection that comes from off of these systems. But as importantly, they need to communicate to the outside world, right? So that's where the networks and the options of cloud in our campuses are really, they deliver value in that sense.
Is there any news or anything coming down the pike we should know?
Well, we're in high growth mode, so we continue to do phase developments in each of our major markets. So what that means is we bring on new inventory and new capacity in all of our major markets. So we're in the big NFL cities today, so we're going to continue that trend, and we're also looking to break into new markets within the U.S. So keep an eye out for us. So come visit us here at ITEXPO.
So thank you. Before we wrap, One Wilshire, is that one of yours? I'm going to go out on a limb. Did I get that one right or wrong?
You got that right. So we are the major tenant in One Wilshire. So we've been operating within that building for quite some time, and it's really considered one of the world's most interconnected buildings. So we have a lot of obviously regional fiber, local fiber, as well as undersea cable systems that land within One Wilshire. So we have a campus there. So we have actually 4 buildings in LA, and we're going to be building and developing our 5th.
Yeah, I did a tour before you bought that building, like maybe 3-4 years before you bought that building, and it was just great. There was a meet me room. There's so much going on there. It was really fascinating. Are tours something you do now? Is that a common thing if a customer wants to see?
We do, yeah. It's very common. It's an important part of our cycle is we host private tours. So we welcome that opportunity to work with partners to bring in customers or prospective customers to tour our building. So we're proud of the assets that we run, and we would welcome that chance.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.